Hello, everybody. My name is Shiv Simriti Kaul. I work in Dr. Chris Kambosky lab, and the overarching aim of our lab is to develop novel gene therapy for curing heart diseases. So, as we all know, heart is basically a pumping machinery. So, it pumps blood in your tissues and organs so that you have proper supply of oxygen and nutrients in your cell. So, if you don't have a proper functioning heart, you will have heart disease. So we want to prevent that to happen. So what happens in generally heart diseases is that you have a blockage in your arteries, which can be caused by eating junk food, or it can be genetic, or it can be different lifestyle management or high BP. So what happens due to these blockages that you don't have proper oxygen supply to the cells present in the heart. So if you don't have enough oxygen present in the heart, it actually causes this condition called ischemia. And due to this, the heart cells actually eventually die. So what we want to study is that what is the mechanism of how ischemia actually causes cell death in the heart, and it loses the heart cells, the contractile cells present in the heart loses its capability. So what we do is we isolate the cells from this chamber of the heart which contains the contractile cells, and we kind of mimic condition closest to this ischemia by using a chemical compound. So what happens under the ischemia is that, for example, if it's the cell, the ER present in the cell can't function properly because it doesn't have proper oxygen. So it doesn't work properly and causes this compartment of the cell to cause stress. And because of the cells, because of the stress, the proteins which are folded like this would fold like this. So it will cause improper protein folding. And what happens in this ER stress is that it can actually be very prolonged, or it can be very short. So if it is prolonged, it causes death of the cells and actually heart failure. And if it is short, it is protective. And in our lab, we studied this gene transcription factor which controls this phenomena. So this gene called ATF6 alpha actually helps to upregulate genes which causes this protection under short stress and death under long stress. So our approach is to find out what causes this particular gene to become maladaptive and prevent that to happen so that we can have a cure for heart disease. That means a happy heart. Thank you.